welcome back to my channel. So let's continue the 5th chapter Arithmetic Progressions, exercise number 5.2, further questions. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Also give me your feedback in the comment section below. So let's start. So this is the 6th question from exercise number 5.2. Check whether minus 50 is a term of the AP 11, 8, 5 and 2. So we have given the first 4 terms of the AP and we need to see whether minus 50 is a term in the given AP. So A equals to 11, we know A equals to 11 and common difference is A2 minus A1, so which is 8 minus 11, which is minus 3. So let's put that in the formula. So an, which is minus 150, if 1 minus 150 is a nth term, let's write that as a plus 11 plus n minus 1. We don't know the position of that. N minus 1 into d, which is minus 3, equals to minus 150. Let's see to find the position of 150. So that is 11 plus minus 3, 11 plus minus 3n plus 3 equals to minus 150. So that is 11 plus 3, so that is 14. We can take 14 to the other side. So that is minus 3n equals to minus 150 plus 11 plus minus 14. Correct? We have taken 11 and 3 to the other side. So that is minus 3n equals to minus 150 plus minus 40, sorry, minus 164. N equals to minus 164 divided by minus 3. So which is giving a fraction. So if we solve this, so that will be 5, again 1, 14, 14, 3, that will be 3 in 14. So that will be again 4 point, again 60. So it is a fraction. So we are getting the number of terms as a fraction. So it is not an integer. So we can clearly say minus 150 is not a term of the given AP, because that position needs to be always an integer. So we have got here as a fraction. So we can clearly say minus 150 is not a term of the given AP. Let's see the next question. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. So we have given the 11th term. So that is A11 equals to 38 and A16 equals to 73. We need to find A31. This needs to be found. So first we can put this in an equation. So that we don't know the A, but we know the 11th and we don't know the common differences. So first we can find two equations, then simplify that. So that will be A plus 11 minus 1 into D equals to 38. So that will be A plus 10D equals to 38. So that's the first equation. Correct? Similarly for 16th term is 73. So that is A plus 16 minus 1 into D equals to 73. So that is A plus 15D equals to 73. So that's the second equation. Now we can subtract equation 1 and 2. So that will be A plus 10D equals to 38 minus A plus 15D equals to 73. So we will get minus 5D equals to 38 minus 73. So that is 73 minus 38. 13, so 5, 6, then 35. So that is minus 35. Correct? So D equals to minus 35 by minus 5. D equals to 7. So we got the common difference. Now we can find we are asked to find the 31st term of the AP. So let's write that in a new slide. We need to find the 31st term. So first find the A here. A equals to first term. So that is A plus 11 minus 1 D equals to 38. Correct? And we find common difference as common difference is 7, not minus 7. So common difference is 7. So that will is A plus 11 minus 10 multiplied by 7 equals to 38. So that is A plus 70 equals to 38. A equals to 38 minus 70. So that is 38 minus 70 equals to minus 32. The first term is 32. So now let's see, find the 31st term. So we are requested to find the 31st term. So we can put that in the equation. A plus 31 minus 1 into D, which is 7, equals to, we need to find A equals to minus 32 plus 30 multiplied by 7 minus 32 plus 210. So that is 210 minus 32. So that will be 8, 0, 10, 7, 178. So that equals to 178. So we have requested to find the 31st term. So 31st term will be 178. So that is A 31 equals to 178. Let's see the next question. An AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Find the 29th term. So we have given the third term, which is 12, and the last term. So last term, so since it is having only 50 terms, so that is the 50th term. 50th term is 106. So for a given term an, we can write a plus n minus 1 into d. So that is a plus n minus 1 into d. So we know the third term is 12. So replacing that, that will be a plus 3 minus 1 into d equals to 12. So which is a plus 2d equals to 12. So we got first equation. Let's find the second equation, which is a plus, for the last term 50th term, a plus 50 minus 1 into d equals to 106. So that is a plus 49d equals to 106. So that's our second equation. Let's subtract each other. So that will be a plus 49d equals to 106. Let's subtract 1 and 2. So we can eliminate the term a here. So that will be 47d equals to minus 47d equals to 12 minus 106. So that will give you minus 94. D equals to minus 94 by minus 47, that is 2. So common difference here is 2. Now we are requested to find the 29th term. So let's find the A first term by replacing the value of D in any of the equations. So in the first equation, if you replace the value A plus 2D, which is 2 times, and common difference we found as 2 equals to 12. So that is A plus 4 equals to 12. A equals to 12 minus 4, which is 8. Now we find the value of 8. So now we can easily find the 29th term. So 29th term will be A 29 equals to A plus n minus 1 into 2. So we know which is A is 8. 8 plus n minus 1. We are requested to find the 29th term. 29 n minus 1 into d. Common difference here is 2. Correct? So that is 8 plus 28 into 2. 28 times 2. That is 56. 8 plus 56 equals to 64. So the 29th term of this AP is 64. That is A 29 equals to 64. Let's see the next question. If the third and the ninth terms of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of this AP is 0? So we have given the third and ninth term. So for any given number nth term, we can write an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. We can find two equations here, then simplify each other to eliminate one of the variable to find the other one, and then we can find the common difference. And also we have asked to find the which term of this AP is 0. So for the third term, we have given 4, so that can be written as a plus third term. So that is 3 minus 1 into d equals to 4. So that is a plus 2d equals to 4. That's our first equation. Second equation is ninth term. So that is a plus 9 minus 1 into d equals to minus 8. So which is a plus 8d equals to minus 8. So that's our second equation. Let's start. We can a plus 8d equals to minus 8. Subtract each other so that we can subtract minus 1. Equation 1 to 1 minus 2, so that we can eliminate a here. So that is minus 6d equals to 4 minus minus 8, so that will be 4 plus 8 equals to 12. D equals to 12 divided by minus 6 will be minus 2. The common difference here is minus 2. So let's find A by replacing the value of D in any of the equations. So we can replace that in the first equation. So that is A plus 2D. So that is 2 multiplied by minus 2 equals to 4. Correct? So that is 8 minus 4 equals to 4. A equals to 4 plus 4. A equals to 8. Now we have asked to find whether 0 is a term in this AP. For that we can add a new slide, and we know we got A equals to 8, and we know what is the, we need to see whether 0 is a term of this AP. For that, any nth term 0, that is A n equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Correct? So that is A equals to 8 plus n minus 1. We don't know the n. So that is n minus 1 into D. Common difference is how much we find? Common difference is minus 2 and equals to 0. So we need to see whether 0 is a term of this AP. So that will be 8 plus 8 minus 2n plus 2 equals to 0. Correct? So that is, keep minus 2n equals 8 plus 2, that is 10 equals to minus 10. N equals to minus 10 by minus 2 equals to 5. So 0 is the fifth term. Fifth term of this AP. 0 is the fifth term of this AP. Let's see the next question. The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. So for the 17th term we can write it as A plus 17 minus 1 into D. So that is the A plus 16D. Correct? So that is A17. A17 equals to A plus 16D. Similarly, the 10th term. So that is A10 equals to, we can write as A plus 10 minus 1 into D. So that is A10 equals to A plus 9D. So we have A17 equals to A plus 16D and A10 equals to A plus 9D. And here they are telling the 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. So that difference between these two terms is 7. So that is A17 minus A10 equals to 7. Correct? So that is A17, which is A plus 16D. So replacing that, A plus 16D minus A10. A10 we have A plus 9D. That is A plus 9D equals to 7. So that is A plus 16D minus A minus 9D equals to 7. So that is A minus A 0. 16D minus 9D, so that is 7. D equals to 7. D equals to 7 divided by 7, that equals to 1. So find the common difference. The common difference D equals to 1. So let's continue the next questions from the same exercise in the another video. If you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.